साला चुप बड़ी खनक माइ फाट मान बाय सिबेल तो का फिउ रिउ नाय चुप मा थामाय मा चिनि डिस्को फाय तो पांडाव चुप जो तो इलाका बासी चुप तिप्रासा चुप थांगामा तो नाय पार्टी न नाही चुप तो लाय तो हासिके जाति न पावे पार्टी न चुप तो लाय तो हासिके चुप तिप्रासा न चुप जाति न मानाय आमा पांडाव आमबो सनां सामचुओ फायदे चुप पार्टी न पावे चिन तिप्रासा नि तो मुंग जामुं सिनि कल्चर सिनि मानिकाव सिनि लैंग्वेज चिनि काव चिनि तोंगमु चिनि आइडेंटिटी चिनि प्राइड न चुंद्राव एके चुं तिप्रासा थांगा तो नाय समय तिनदि केमा समय हाया फाइबुले चुं कौ बाके चुं प्रोटेस्ट खेने नांनाय हिए जतो न हामबाया फाये रना इनकम थाहा जतो तिप्रासा युलो तो खाकसा जतो न
গত 8 তারিখ আমরা রিয়াংয়ের একটা বিগেস্ট ফেস্টিভ্যাল খোজাগিরি যেখানে বোকাপা হাই স্কুল মাঠে গ্রাউন্ডে অর্গানাইজ করা হয়েছে ওখানে আমাদের অনারেবল সিএম সাহেব চিফ মিনিস্টার হি ইজ দ্য ইনাগুরেটর and he was the chief guest of that great celebration. I was there in the stage, sharing the stage with him. On his delivering speech, CM Saab has made a wrong statement saying that Riang has come from Chottogram, region Bangladesh, after the Tripura Dopa. That means Tripuri, who are the Tripuris? Tripuris are the Bangladesh. So on his statement to the entire public of the entire Umudpur subdivision, organized by the civil societies, they have come out organizing a protest rally to show their sentiment and emotional being hurt by the Honorable CM statement. I have said in my earlier interview also, the entire Tiprasa, we have due honor and respect to our beloved Chief Minister of the state because democratically he is being elected. He may belong to BJP party, but officially he is the head of the state. He is the chief taking authority of the entire official decision of the state. Therefore, if the highest holding portfolio, Chief Minister, if he delivers such a statement, it may be recorded as a history in the future. Lord Krishna took part on this earth in the form of human being. So Yudhishthir and the Duryodhan, India worship the Riyangs and the Kaiping on behalf of the kingdom. Our kings have sent them and they fought for the war, for the defending on the side of Yudhishthir. So how come the Riyangs and the Tiprasa have come from Chottogram? We are being here from the since time of the creation of this earth. Since the time of creation of this earth, we are here. That is why the Tripura history is the second longest chronicles in the world after the Japan that we all know. Therefore, it is very clear from our side, we are not Bangladeshi, we are not foreigners, we are the original sons and daughters of this soil. It is very clear from our side. Plus, I want to say, my dear brothers and sisters of this state, please don't spread rumors, don't spread false information, don't try to create any confusion among the people of Tripura. That is what I want to say. So very from my side, that's it. Thank you very much.
So Bangladesh tummayo ro sampase ba krile maya apna chong Bangladesh ni phaya Tripura phaimoya chungna jog se ro rai jawa asai phaimo arim baya chung tini ra ba Tripura rai jaya sara baran ba so council to Bangladesh ni phaini ma illegal migrant no sui se ko bol mo jaga se sunole yo si ko ta ha nale Bangladesh ni se phaya ro le chong phayo ya nan ko si de la mai la takuro nang ko selama ke chong buskangwa tekau mangme takurom kro songbam sinai chim kha sabam sanjrabo chini to pharo sinai no mai takuro tongo joto rajniti ne tabo tongo kintu chong kau thang lai maya chini baya tini jomonche takhu tini debaba takhu sundo loge ri tong phayo mani karana do phathang thang noi takuro tawni diyo no wa tang tomo bai soleya tawni diyo khobas haba khiye nongo samutang tumo chole tawni jugo ke je tawam khema ain phai abono sisawe sum phai khene takuro amon bandawa tini nang phane no podang donnobad janabo buskani salapho siri bodima te sobak to tomo chom sara Tripura stai ke tomo abono phosong jotro loge marinai mani karon mole chom saimo mayan karono tini Bangladeshi he ha tini saimo phomaya chini Tripura le kapo bangma to kintu mayan karono tini mukha duo takuro ngamo rimchuo chung rimaya chini yo phawo krini khomota krini chini khomota power benin sabai joto sipela ha ei karono tini Riang no Bangladesh ni yao chung chi mala nai amboya trebisi kawariya sungmo thanglai nanai janjani gari kamo kaham ke jotno ke lai thanglai di kehan hota bera di janjani gari horo amboya tu thanglai na tumpai na amboya asu jora sayeno jotro khachama hambai dia tinini program ro papai ha jotro kham ke thanglai na hambai